There are many teachings about the Dajjal, but one particular hadith offers intriguing clues about his possible location. It's a narration many have heard repeatedly.
In it, a Christian man once came to the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, during a large assembly, embraced Islam, and shared his story.
He said that he and a few companions set out from the Arab region toward Maghrib. On the way, the sea's conditions changed unexpectedly, and their ship was thrown off course. After drifting for about a month, the waves finally brought them near an island. They anchored their main vessel and used smaller boats to reach the shore.
There, they encountered a bizarre creature, completely black and covered with thick hair all over its body. It introduced itself, and, when asked what it was, the creature said,
"Forget about me. Go to that temple over there. Someone is eagerly waiting to meet you."
Inside they found a man shackled in chains. He asked them 3 questions.
"Tell me about the date palms of Baisan. Do they still bear fruit?" "Akividan." They replied, "Yes, there's still plenty of fruit."
He said soon, they won't bear any.
"And what about Lake Tiberias? Does it still hold water?" They responded, "Yes, it's full of water."
He said, soon it will dry up.
"Tell me about the final Prophet ﷺ. Has he emerged yet?" They answered, "Yes, he has left Mecca and now lives in Medina." He asked, "Is he truly residing in Medina now?" They confirmed it.
The man then revealed, "Let me tell you who I am.
"I am the Dajjal.
Very soon I will be freed from here and will travel across every region of the earth, except Medina."
The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, then addressed the gathering, confirming the story's truth and saying, "Dajjal is in the eastern sea." He pointed in the direction of the east and repeated, "He is in the east."
Now think about it. The Arabian Sea lies east of Medina, and within it are 4 main islands: Lakshadweep, India; Socotra, Yemen; Masira, Oman; Astola, Pakistan.
The hadith makes it clear that Dajjal won't be in the waters near Yemen, ruling out Socotra and Masira.
When the Prophet gestured east from Medina, a straight line from there passes almost exactly over Astola Island.
Some may question, but this hadith is over 1,400 years old. Surely the temple must have been built much later. However, there's archaeological evidence of a 2,000-year-old temple on the island.
This temple is dedicated to Kali Mata, one of Hinduism's most fearsome goddesses, known for her terrifying appearance and a body said to be covered in hair, matching the description of the creature in the hadith.